Make a bold and lively statement at any outdoor event with neon nail art. Choose your preferred neon colors and let your imagination run wild, whether it's striking patterns, bold stripes, or neon animal prints. These nails will pop and catch the eye, especially under the sun or neon lights. Neon nail art is the ultimate choice for those looking to make a vivid and energetic impression. For a relaxed outdoor festival or an artistic collaboration with a free-spirited friend, embrace the bohemian vibe while intricate designs. Begin with a base of warm, earthy tones such as terracotta and mustard. Then let your creativity flow as you paint on geometric patterns, feathers, and dramatic motifs. The result will be nails that reflect the free-spirited artistic side of your personality. Nail art has firmly established itself in the realms of fashion and beauty. Well-maintained and beautifully designed nails have a direct impact on an individual's self-esteem and confidence. Feeling good about your appearance, including your nails, can boost self-confidence. It's no wonder that people often report a surge in self-esteem after getting their nails done. This boost in self-assurance can have a positive ripple effect on various aspects of life. Nail art can also carry cultural and social significance. Whether you are to a beach bash or collaborating with a friend who shares your love for tropical getaways, a tropical themed nail art will transport you to Iceland paradise. For a beachside gathering or a collaboration with a maritime themed, nautical nails are classic choice. Begin with a navy blue base to emulate the deep sea. Then use white nail polish to create classic nautical elements such as stripes, anchors, and sailors' knots. Nautical nails exude a timeless elegance and are perfect for seaside occasions.